Hi, this is Mick with Bushcraft. I'm out and about today scouting out a river near a major highway. There's lots of animal signs here, and it's broad daylight, so I doubt I'm going to see too much. But if I do, I'll try to share it with you. Some very interesting ice patterns here. When you're hiking, always be on the lookout for pine trees with this white stuff on it. That means there's been an injury and the resin has started to seep, and the resin is good for fire starter. So pine resin, one of these injuries like this, it's a good resource for you. Well, this little guy didn't make it. He's pretty well froze. So it's kind of life or death out here. We all know it, but sometimes it's hard to realize it.